If you're looking for a way to get serious about your financial future but don't know where to start, Empower might be the app you need. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you take control of your money, from investment advice to personal financial planning. One of the standout features of Empower is how it lets you see your entire financial picture in one place. This is huge. You can securely link all your accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investments, so you can get a true understanding of your net worth. It's not just about seeing your balances either. The app provides tools to help you set financial goals and track your progress, which can make a world of difference when it comes to staying on top of your finances. Another thing I love about Empower is the personalized advice it offers. Whether you're saving for something like a honeymoon or managing retirement funds, Empower gives tailored financial advice to suit where you are in life. If you're looking for more than just a set it and forget it approach, Empower's wealth management services are really worth considering. They offer personalized strategies, tax optimization, dynamic portfolio allocation, and even a socially responsible investing option if you're passionate about putting your money to work in a way that aligns with your values. They also provide regular portfolio rebalancing to keep things in line with market changes, so you're not just left hanging, hoping things turn out well. Now, let's talk about the Empower Personal Cash Program. If you're sick of the low interest rates offered by traditional savings accounts, Empower gives you a shot at earning up to 3.75% APY, which is a significant upgrade from what you'd typically get. Plus, there are no fees to worry about. This might be the answer if you're looking for a simple, secure way to grow your savings with a bit more interest. The platform also allows you to set up direct deposit, and there are no limits on the number of deposits or withdrawals you can make. So, if you're tired of feeling like your savings aren't doing enough, Empower might be worth a look, but it's not all perfect. One downside is that Empower is better suited for people who are already a bit familiar with investing or have the resources to take advantage of their wealth management services. If you're just starting to get into managing your finances, some of the advanced tools and strategies might feel a bit overwhelming. Plus, while the app offers tons of resources, it can sometimes feel like there's a lot going on at once, which might be a lot for someone who's just looking for basic budgeting help. In terms of fees, Empower does a great job of being transparent. They don't have hidden fees, but if you opt for wealth management services, you'll pay an annual fee based on your assets, which is still a more affordable option compared to traditional financial advisors. That said, if you're just looking for a simple savings account or a no-frills investment option, you may not need the extra layers of service, and that's where the free tools come in handy. All in all, Empower is a solid option for those who are looking to take their financial life to the next level, offering both the tools and the expert advice to do so. It's definitely more than just a budgeting app, and it's worth checking out if you want to make smarter decisions about your savings and investments. Whether you're just getting started or already have a solid financial foundation, Empower's wealth of features can help you invest smarter, save better, and ultimately get closer to your financial goals.